Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the exercise in our textbook of the chapter The Mumbai Musician. The Mumbai Musician. So we'll go to the page number Mumbai Musician. Now, do you remember the story about the Mumbai Musician? How it was, what it was? It was story about a donkey whose name was Gopu. He was working in a farm with a farmer, but the donkey became old and he was not more able to work anymore. So the master of the donkey told Gopu that you go and see the world. And Gopu's wish was what? To become a musician. So he thought that the best musicians are found in Mumbai only. So he decided to go to Mumbai. On the way to Mumbai, he found a dog. The dog name was Dopu. So Dopu was a dog, and when he saw Gopu walking all alone, he talked with the dog. Dopu stopped Gopu and asked him, where are you going? So Gopu said, I am going to Mumbai to become a musician. I am fond of music. So the dog Dopu also decided to go with him to give him company. So Gopu and Dopu started walking on the way. On the way they met a cat, Furry. The name of the cat was the Fury. So Fury also was puzzled where Gopu and Dopu are going. So Fury stopped them and asked Gopu and Dopu, where are you going? So Gopu and Dopu again said that we are fond of music and we want to become a musician. So we are going to Mumbai to become a musician. So Fury also joined with them. She said, I also want to join you all. So she also joined. Now from 2, 3 it became Gopu, Dopu and Furry. Now as they started walking, they met a cock on the way. The cock asked 3 of them, where are you going? So Gopu again said that we are going to Mumbai to become a musician. So even the cock also joined with them on the way to become a musician. So the cock that cuckoo. So now what happened next? When they all went on the way, they felt hungry as they was continuous walking. They saw a house. From the window, they all peeped inside, looked inside, and they saw lovely, delicious food on the table. They were terribly hungry, so they wanted to have the food. They wanted to eat that food. So what happened? They started singing very loudly. As they started singing very loudly, the people inside that house got scared and they left the house like that only and ran away. So like that, the 3 of them enjoyed the food and they were eating and eating till they were satisfied. Now we'll go to the reading is fun, question answers. Now we're going to do question answer. Why did the farmer tell Gopu to see the world? Why did the farmer tell Gopu to see the world? जो गोपू का जो मालिक था फार्मर, उन्होंने गोपू को वर्ल्ड देखने के लिए क्यों कहा? The farmer told Gopu to see the world because he had become old and could not carry load anywhere. क्या हुआ था? गोपू क्या था? अभी काफ़ी ओल्ड हो चुका था और वो वज़न उठा नहीं पा रहा था. इसलिए फार्मर ने उससे कहा कि आप जाके पूरी दुनिया देख लो. Question 2. Why did Gopu, Dopu and Furry want to go to Mumbai? Why did Gopu, Dopu and Furry want to go to Mumbai? Gopu, Dopu and Furry wanted to go to Mumbai to become musician. गोपू, डोपू और फरी जो है लोग मुंबई क्यों जाना चाहते थे? वो लोग मुंबई इसलिए जाना चाहते थे क्योंकि वो लोग को म्यूजिशियन बनना था. ओके. वाई डिड पीपल इन द हाउस रन अवे? वाई डिड द पीपल इन द हाउस रन अवे? जो पीपल थे, जो पब्लिक थी जो घर के अंदर, जब उन्होंने देखा कि घर है उसके अंदर काफ़ी सारे पीपल्स है, काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं, तो वो क्यों भाग गए? बिकॉज they all thought that ghost had come to scare them. क्या कारण था? गोपू, डोपू, फरी ने गाना शुरू किया तो उनकी आवाज़ से जो लोग अंदर थे घर में वो लोग डर गए और उन्हें ऐसा लगा कि भूत आ गए उन्हें डराने के लिए, और वो लोग तुरंत घर के बाहर भाग गए. द पीपल इन द हाउस रैन अवे बिकॉज दे ऑल थॉट दैट गोस्ट हैड कम टू स्केयर देम. Now we'll go to the next page. Now let's sort out these words. Pick the words from the bag. Pick the words from the bag and put them on the right shelf. And put them on the right shelf. One has been done for you. Say the words aloud. One has been done for you. Now over here in the bag you can see 2 bags are there. Words are given. We have to put them in the correct shelf. Now we'll read from one bag. Leg, nest, dice, pig, tree, fish, smile, seed. The next bag it is bell, line, leap, hill, deep, meal, street, kite, well. Now we'll see the words over here. Short E words. Now over here is what? Short E words. So leg, leg is written. So in this box what we will write? Other words. bell, bell, nest, nest, well, well, bell, nest, well and leg. The next box, short I words. What is this? Short I words. First is already written pig. So we'll write lip, lip, hill, hill, fish, fish. So once again, pig, lip, hill, fish. Now in the third box it is long E words, deep. So deep, deep. So other words what we will write? street, street, seed, seed, tree, tree, meal, meal. And long I words. So it will be smile. smile, smile. So we will write other words. kite, kite, dice, dice, line, line. So in these boxes we have to write the words how they have given, and we have to fill in the boxes with the help of the words given in this bag. Leg, pig, deep, smile. According to these words we have to write in the boxes. Now we'll go to the next page. Question. Do you play any musical instrument? So what will you write? If you play, so we'll write yes, I play guitar. I play guitar. The next is, if no, which instrument do you want to learn? If no, अगर आपको कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं आता है तो आप कौन सा लर्न करना चाहोगे? तो I would like to learn piano. I would like to learn piano. Piano, piano. I would like to learn piano. Now add the words in the opposite gender in the given sentences. Anju's mother. Now what is this question over here? We have to add the opposite gender. Here the words are given. Now we have to find the opposite gender and write in the blanks. The first one is Anju's mother and father. Father, father. What is the opposite of mother? It is father. So Anju's mother and father came to the school. My uncle, and uncle का opposite will be aunt, aunt, aunt. So my uncle and aunt came to visit us on Monday. The lion and what will be the lion का opposite gender? Lioness, lioness, lioness looked lovingly at their cub. The king and the opposite gender of the king is queen, queen, and queen sat on beautiful thorns. The man is running and the opposite gender of man will be woman. So woman, woman is walking. My grandfather and opposite gender of grandfather is grandmother. So grand, grand, mother, mother went to the market. So what will you write? Anju's mother and father came to school. My uncle and aunt came to visit us on Monday. The lion and lioness looked lovingly at their cub. The king and the queen sat on beautiful throne. The man is running and the woman is walking. My grandfather and grandmother went to the market. Now we'll go to the next page. Over here is what? In what way are these musical instruments different from each other? Put them into 3 groups and based on how they are played. Now see, these are all musical instruments. What are these musical instruments? First is tabla, sitar, flute, dafli, guitar, iktara, shehnai, violin, dholak. All these are called instruments. Then the next page, the columns are given. In the next page, over here you can see columns are given. Now in this circle, what it is written? Instruments that you play with fingers. Instruments that you play with fingers. Fingers के साथ जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट खेले जाते हैं वो हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है. स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, जो डोरी वाले इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, उसके नाम यहाँ पे लिखना है. और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दैट यू ब्लो, और थर्ड सर्कल है द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दैट यू ब्लो इनटू, उसके नाम यहाँ पे लिखना है. तो हम फर्स्ट लिखेंगे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दैट वी प्ले विथ फिंगर्स. सो इट वॉज तबला, TABLA तबला, डफली, DHAFLI डफली, DHOLAK ढोलक. We play now with fingers, dafli, tabla, dholak, right? Now this is string instruments. So sitar, SITAR sitar, GUITAR guitar, IKTARA iktara, violin, VIOLIN violin. Now third is what? The instrument that you blow. It will be flute, FLUTE flute, and the shehnai, SHEHNAI shehnai. So once again we will read. Instruments that we play with fingers are tabla, dholak and dafli. Instruments that we play, string instruments, sitar, guitar, iktara, violin. And the instruments that we blow is flute and shehnai. Now I'll go to the next page. Now over here you can see the words are, the word Jal Tarang is made up of 2 words. The words Jal Tarang is made up of 2 words. Jal, that is water, Tarang, that is music. Now make new words by joining 2 words. We have to make new words by joining 2 words. One example is given. So news plus paper, so it becomes newspaper. School plus bag, so it becomes school bag. So you will write school bag. Then the next is what? Tooth plus paste, so it will be toothpaste. STE, toothpaste. Then necklace, so necklace, it will become neck, LACE, necklace. It will become necklace. Then some plus one, so it will become someone, SOMEONE, one, someone. Then bath plus room, so it will be bathroom. Then next, time plus table, so it will be timetable, TIME TABLE, timetable. Foot plus ball, so it will be football, FOOT plus BALL, football. And the last is carpet, CARPET, carpet. So once again we will read, children. Newspaper, school bag, toothpaste, necklace, someone, bathroom, timetable, football, carpet, football, carpet. Over here, children, what you have to do, let's practice. Here in dotted line it is given to you. We have to trace on this dotted line with cursive writing. Get up early in the morning. What it is said? Get up early in the morning. So we have to trace on this with good handwriting in cursive. We have to do cursive practice also, and we have to trace on this dotted line. So what it is said, the sentence is get up early in the morning. So dear children, I hope you have understood the textbook exercise. Complete this exercise in your textbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.